Bullish ARDR value expectation is $0.1414 to $0.2463. The ARDR cost will likewise reach 50 cents soon. ARDR negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.0838. In Vigor, ARDR, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REVOL, and other data about ARDR to examine the future development of the digital currency. Passion, ARDR, current market status. The cost of enthusiasm, ARDR, is $0.103496 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,831,617 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, ARDR has diminished to 3.2% as of now. What is Zest, ARDR? Zest is a multi-chain blockchain stage with a parent-kid chain design. The point of Zest is to introduce different functionalities for leading business to the kid blockchain. Besides, the parent-kid model permits the consideration of exchanges on a kid chain and the parent chain through a packaging framework. Packaging is a course of collection numerous youngster exchanges into a parent chain. Moreover, ARDR is the symbolic contribution of the stage or the parent chain. The stage expects to utilize ARDR to create new blocks and for agreement. Fervency, ARDR, Value Forecast 2022. For the most part, a triangle is made of a descending inclining up pattern line and a vertical corner-to-corner descending pattern line. At the point when there is a cost increment, it will definitely get through the upper pattern line to break, and in an upturn, the cost will increment or break. A lower pattern line fosters a forward leap and a descending pattern in which costs drop. At present, Passion, ARDR, is at $0.103496. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of ARDR could arrive at the obstruction level of $0.1314, $0.1474, and $0.1854. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of ARDR might tumble to $0.1031 and $0.0839. Enthusiasm, ARDR, backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Zest, ARDR. The diagrams show that ARDR has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, ARDR could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $0.2463. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the ARDR could fall to nearly $0.0838, a negative sign. Passion, ARDR, Value Forecast 2022, REVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Zest, ARDR, is displayed in the underneath outline. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past volume for dealers. Presently, the RVOL of ARDR lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of enthusiasm, ARDR, is displayed in the above diagram. The ARDR cost somewhat lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is completely in a descending pattern. Presently, ARDR is in a negative state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of ARDR whenever. In the interim, the general strength file, RSI, of the ARDR is at a degree of 45.11. This implies that ARDR is in an almost oversold state. Notwithstanding, this gives certainty to the brokers to exchange with no trepidation. Vigor, ARDR, Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file, ADX, of Passion, ARDR. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Vigor, ARDR. As of now, ARDR lies in the scope of 36.4778, so it shows serious areas of strength for A. From the above outline, the general unpredictability list, RVI, of vigor, ARDR. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame as opposed to cost changes. The RVI of ARDR lies under 50, showing lower instability. Truth be told, ARDR's RSI is at 45.11, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of ARDR with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Vigor, ARDR. From the above outline, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and ARDR are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and ARDR additionally increment or decline individually. Fervency, ARDR, Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, enthusiasm, ARDR, could likely achieve 65 cents by 2023. Zest, ARDR, Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Zest, ARDR, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ARDR could revitalize to hit 87 cents by 2024. Enthusiasm, ARDR, Value Expectation 2025. In the event that enthusiasm, ARDR, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ARDR would energize to hit 92 cents. Enthusiasm, ARDR, Value Expectation 2026. If passion, ARDR, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ARDR would energize to hit $1.40. Zest, ARDR, Value Expectation 2027. In the event that Vigor, ARDR, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ARDR would energize to hit $1.70. Fervency, ARDR, Value Expectation 2028. If Vigor, ARDR, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could observe huge cost rallies. Along these lines, by 2028, ARDR